This is Rosario Newman with SVA Software, and welcome to this quick demo on IDR Manager, our interactive disaster recovery runbook, and how can IDR help you as a DR manager to show compliance and provide reporting. Many organizations need to follow industry regulatory standards, and these industry standards have specific requirements in the area of business continuity and disaster recovery. Such regulations can be HIPAA, PCI DSS, or ISO, for example. As a DR manager, you might need to show compliance in the IT disaster recovery area for incident response. Is your team working to improve the disaster recovery plan and procedures, and are they struggling to show compliance when it's needed or in case of an audit? IDR Manager, the interactive ITDR runbook, helps disaster recovery managers comply with the ITDR requirements and provide reporting. With IDR, in a matter of hours, you can have the technical procedures organized and documented so as to enable the IT team to be on the same page when it's time to recover. When it comes to testing, in order to validate that the disaster recovery plan can achieve its goals when executed, IDR offers this recovery plan dashboard. You can log any activity related to an incident response test scenario. For example, you can test recovery of an application that is down or an IT service or a complete failover. First, you initiate the test scenario, in this case for the cybersecurity service. This service consists of 3 applications. You can indicate when you start the recovery process for this specific application and others. Here you can make any comments related to the execution. And then you can also indicate when the recovery process for a specific application is concluded. All this activity is logged. Here you can see the time that it was created and concluded. It shows timestamps of this test scenario. You would also need to determine and show for compliance purposes if this test scenario met the planned RTO. Here it shows the time it took to recover each application compared to the planned RTO, and a summary of the total time it took to recover the whole IT service compared to the planned overall RTO for this service. You need a report for audit purposes. We'll easily pull a report showing a summary when the recovery test scenarios have been executed. For example, a test scenario for the cybersecurity was created at this time, and others, for example, for Azure, they were created here and updated. It also shows any update made to the IT disaster recovery runbook. Thank you for watching, and visit us at svasoftware.com/IDR.